a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Synopsis. High pressure in the region will keep dry conditions in place as the weak low pressure area in the western Atlantic moves slowly towards southeast Georgia with occasionally breezy northeast winds flow. Moisture is expected to return late weekend into the weekend. The current time is 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 6 p.m. observations for the local area on Wednesday, May 11th. At Brookville, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 87 degrees, the dew point 51, and the relative humidity 28%. The wind was northeast at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21.
Wow. Okay. Pro 136 finally activated, and basically everything activated. You know, I might count that a perfect activation, because everything went off besides this stupid thing, but this thing doesn't like going off, so... Wow. Let's go. And the next weekly tests are going to have something even more special.